So guys, share ko lang sa inyo kung halimbawa magpipishing kayo, kung makikita nyo, etong rubber na ito, ang purpose nito kapag halimbawa nakahuli kayo ng isda ay may stretch lang siya, kumbaga hindi siya makakawala, walang kawala talaga yung isda, hindi kagaya ng iba na wala silang nilalagay. So may tendency na makawala yung isda o maputol yung inyong lure. So kung halimbawa magpipishing kayo, gamitan nyo ng rubber, ito yung pinaka the best, talagang walang masasayang. So enjoy watching guys. Wahoo.
Both sides are like cut. Your line.
Yeah. Also the weights. Boss. Full of weights. Daming weights. Ayan. Ayo. Yan. Ayan. Parakuda. Parakuda ulit. Wahoo. Ay, wahoo. Nahuli na, wahoo.
Really long time.
Ha? May bilog tayo.
Yeah.
Oh, dapat. Oh, no need. Ay! Okay na ka, atas na. Also catch? Ha? Think so? One more? Catch the line? No, that one fish. Double hit. Wahoo also. Hiya!
Wahoo.
Yeah. Wahoo! Oh! Hiya! Oh! Yellowfin! Yellowfin, nakahuli yellowfin. Sila yellowfin. Yellow. Woohoo. Yes. Hiya. Double hit. Dalawa, wahoo.
Hindi man. Hindi ko natin. Oh, pari.